Learn just 50 sentences today to speak fluent English. Spoken English practice at home for beginner. Today we will only practice spoken English sentences. 50 short sentences that will help us learn English faster. Today we will not think about any grammar. We will just practice so that we can learn to speak English fluently. So let's get started. The house is too late. The house is too late. From time to time. From time to time. What is that? What is that? It makes no sense. It makes no sense. The books are expensive. The books are expensive. Forget it. Forget it. Where is the airport? Where is the airport? Please wake him up. Please wake him up. That way. That way. Believe me, I don't know. Believe me, I don't know. What is it? What is it? It doesn't look fair. It doesn't look fair. Are you here alone? Are you here alone? What's happened here? What's happened here? Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. Time to sleep now. Time to sleep now. I would like to buy something. I would like to buy something. When does it arrive? When does it arrive? Now it is the time to go back. Now it is the time to go back. Who was that? Who was that? Show me how. Show me how. Try it on. Try it on. I would like to go for a walk. I would like to go for a walk. Was that? Was that? I would like to go home. I would like to go home. Someone is coming. Someone is coming. Be off now. Be off now. So be it. So be it. At what time? At what time? Here it is. Here it is. The TV is broken. The TV is broken. How could you say that? How could you say that? How does it taste? How does it taste? What happened? What happened? Is it closed? Is it closed? Are you afraid? Are you afraid? The whole day. The whole day. How much altogether? How much altogether? These books are ours. These books are ours. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? This doesn't work. This doesn't work. How is work going? How is work going? Where is it? Where is it? Please don't disclose. Please don't disclose. I like you very much. I like you very much. That's not enough. That's not enough. Everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. Stay here. Stay here. Behind the bank. Behind the bank. Will you be here? Will you be here? Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.